When I worked in a restaurant in New York, we used to serve a lemon-zested tuna salad that I loved so much that it was my everyday lunch. Hi, my name is Marianne, I'm a French cook and I'm here to share my best recipes. Today we're making tuna fish salad. The ingredients: you're going to need canned tuna. This is canned tuna soaked in oil, half a cucumber or a small one, mayonnaise, lemon, shallot, garlic, mustard, salt and pepper. First we're going to drain the tuna. If you're using tuna soaked with water, you should squeeze all the water out of the tuna with your hands. When you're using tuna soaked in oil, you're going to need less mayonnaise than when you're using tuna soaked in water. Now we're going to cut the cucumber. So first, remove the extremities, cut in half. We're keeping the skin on because it's an organic cucumber, so the skin will bring fibers and a nice green color. And now we're going to remove the seeds that are very watery. So if you keep the seeds on, you're going to have a very liquid tuna fish salad. My kids don't like red bell pepper, so I took it out of the recipe, but if you like red bell pepper, I recommend using it because it brings a nice red color. So you have the green color of the cucumber and the red color of the bell pepper. Now we're going to mince a shallot. Cut in half and then peel it and mince it. Because we're eating the shallot raw, we're not going to cook it, it's nice to have really small pieces of it. Now we add the shallots to the cucumbers, smash the garlic, cut the garlic in half, remove the skin, putting in the garlic press and smashing in the bowl. I'm adding the mustard. Squeeze the lemon. If you have a lemon zester, I recommend also using the lemon zest. Adding the drained tuna, salt, pepper, and we're going to mix everything together. Add the mayonnaise. You want a nice and moist tuna fish salad. So the tuna fish salad is ready. To serve it, you have three options. You can serve it on grilled bread. This is einkorn bread. You can serve it on gluten-free bread, or I like this option. It's a keto option. You just take a cucumber, remove the seeds, fill the cucumber with tuna fish salad. So you can serve it this way or make bite-sized pieces. I would love to hear from you. Please let me know in the comments below if you have any questions or if the recipe worked for you. But for now, I say thank you so much for watching and I hope you have a nice day.